In this video, I'll show you how to find high growth stock with Yahoo Finance stock filter. So to get started, go ahead and open Yahoo Finance. Then here, what you need to do is to go ahead and head over into the Markets tab. Using the search bar, go ahead and search for screener. So look for the stock screener. Using this search field, search for screener and click on this Go to Screeners button. And that will redirect you into this section. So what you need to do in here is to head over into the undervalued growth stocks. So Screener is a tool that helps investors and traders find stocks that meet their criteria. In here, you need to select your stock criteria. You can go ahead and create a new screener depending on your preferred stock to invest to, or just use this existing screeners. So as you can see, if you create a new screener, you can actually use these filters under that to be able to filter more the available stocks depending on your preference. Customize your filters to find high growth stocks, so you can set criteria such as revenue growth, earnings growth, price earnings ratio, and market cap. Make sure to apply the filters and analyze the results. So review the list of stocks and conduct further research on each one to ensure they align with your investment goals. And that is how you can basically find high growth stock with Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.